Next is hydrosphere. Firstly, we done the two spheres: lithosphere related with land, atmosphere related with air, and hydrosphere related with the water. Hydrosphere in this realms contains the water of the earth. This realm containing the water, the hydrosphere is combined mass of water found on, under, and over the surface of the earth. Hydrosphere means water. It is combined mass of water we are finding on, under, and over the earth. About 71% of the earth's surface is covered by water in the form of oceans, seas, bays, gulfs, lakes, rivers, etc. The lithosphere covered 29% of Earth's surface, but hydrosphere covered 71% of Earth's surface. The oceans contain most of the Earth's surface water, which is salty. It means the oceans, in the oceans, which water is there, that is salty, which we are not using for drinking. Most fresh water is frozen into glaciers, and most available fresh water is stored underground as groundwater. It means the fresh water, not we are taking water only from the oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, bays, and gulfs. The water we are getting from the glaciers. What is the glaciers? That mountain, those mountains which covered with the ice when it melts, and these ice came on earth in the form of water. And most available fresh water is stored underground as groundwater. Means from the internal of the earth also we are getting the water, that is known as the underground water. Life on the planet is possible due to the hydrosphere. Our earth gets its name of the blue planet because of the hydrosphere. We know that the life on the planet is possible due to only hydrosphere. Why? We can say life is possible on the planet of hydrosphere because hydrosphere contains water, and the earth is known as the blue planet because the presence of water on earth, that's why known as the earth, known as the blue planet. Our next sphere name is biosphere. The biosphere can be defined as the parts of Earth's lithosphere. Lithosphere in bracket you can see that it on land, hydrosphere means water, and atmosphere means air occupied by living organisms. It means what is a biosphere? Biosphere is those sphere where all three realms, which one? All three spheres, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, all meet together. That is known as the biosphere. It is made up of all organisms on earth as well as the physical environment in which they live. Means the biosphere made from the organisms and from the physical environment in which they live. Most organisms actually live within a small area in the biosphere from about 500 meter below the ocean's surface to about 6 kilometer above sea level. Most organisms actually live within a small area in the biosphere. Means almost organisms you can say the individual plants or animals or other things. Most organisms actually live within a small area in the biosphere about 500 milliliter below the ocean surface to about 6 kilometer above the sea level. 500 meter below the ocean surface to about 6 kilometer above sea level. The living organisms of the biosphere include humans, animals, plants, insects, and birds. It includes humans, animals, plants, insects, and birds, that all known as the living organisms.